Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video today we'll see yet another example of the questions type plugin in Moodle. Okay, so you see here the Q type gap fill. So if I click on this, this is just a close. That means fill in the blanks questions type with a very simple questions creation syntax. So you can do a drag and drop down or gap fill questions. Okay. So it is also supporting the latest version, that is Moodle 5.0. So it is good to go ahead with this one. So now coming to my LMS screen and going to login. So under my login area, admin login area, I can try installing this one. So I download this one, and if you see the size, it's a very small size, but not that much of small because question have a lot of thing to do. So that is why it is the size around 5. Okay, so it's a 4.6 MB. So the first step is installing this plugin here. Okay, so I am also trying here the drag and drop installing method. And so click continue here. So here on this page it will verify everything. It is good to go for me. Now once you are done with all the installation process, you will see yet this particular one will be added at the time of adding the questions. So I'm still not yet done with the installation part. So the last part is upgrade model database now. So I just click on that. Okay, so it is all good now. You can also quickly jump to some of the screen here. So drag and drop quick fill means something like this you will be able to create here. Okay, so this is a one screen the left side, and this right side is the second screen. And if I click the next, you see here the short video here. So how you'll be able, the student will be able to interact with this. Well, okay, so let's try it. So these are the setting here, disable regex. Uh, so it's around the Gapfill itself. Okay, so you see here this setting is all around the plugin you just try installing. So on the first view, I would suggest let it be whatever is coming. So let's move with the default one, and yeah, so it's all good here. Now I'm going to quickly jump to a question here, and we'll try adding a quiz here. Well, so I already have a quiz here, quiz with category. Now into the edit mode here on the question sections, I can try adding this newly installed one. Okay, so add a new question here, and you will see here the gap fill somewhere around. Okay, so this is the one we just installed here. You can also verify from the logo itself. Okay, so this is the given here. uh, let's say the fill in the blanks. Well, the question text here, and right, so this is something I need to test in this session. Okay, so gap setting. So now if you coming to the first time, so like I am coming here for the first time to try this plugin, so you see some fancy word here, like you see the distractors, the gap settings. So you can come up here and you will see something. Okay, So more documentation on this plugin you can also check. And this is not just with this particular one. So every plugin you will see some different description here. Okay, like if I come to setting up the screen here, you see under question text, the cat sat on the mat. Okay, so something I will have to do similar to, right? So fill in the what I have to make this like this. So I want that to be filled here. So I will have to make like this, right? And the second, I want one more key here. So whichever you feel suitable, you can go for like this. Okay. In case you want to go for something else, sorry, more word here, you can also go for that. So this is something. Okay. And if you like, you can put the comma here. So I'm not that much of expert in the English, so please excuse me that part. Okay. So this is help, and ideally it is given to each and every plugin Moodle introduced on their site. Okay, so it is listed here on the Moodle site itself. So you see here the questions text will have to make like this. Now you see here uh, under distractor. So this is the fancy word I would say, because the coming for the first time in LMS. So these two word will come up here. Okay, so under distractor like this, and here I have to remove that bracket, and I will put here all the words separate, comma separated. Okay, dog, ram, right? And you see here delimit characters. So how will be able to do that? So under more option, you'll find delimit characters. Okay. So either you might have gone for this small bracket, and also the at the rate encoded with hashtag. So these are the options you'll have here. So I have used the default one, that is the, the bigger bracket we say usually. Okay, a single use draggable option text. So these are the options you will have here. But let me come up here what it say. So fix gap size option after text. So you can explore each and every this fancy word here, because the help is also given what it said. So when attempting the questions, all gap will be set to the same size as the largest gap. Okay. So in case sometimes you will find in the way the questions we have a smaller word like in is just a two character word, and you have here the other word session that is of six character. So in that way you will find something, the all the gaps where the drag and the drop will be done should be in the similar size, so then no one can guess this is just a two character word. It will come up here, and this is larger size, so session will go here. Okay, so you'll have to do in that way. So single use draggable, what it say, remove draggables from list when drop into a guide. Okay, so these are the options we'll have here. So options after draggable answer options will be display after the body of the text rather than above. Okay, so the other options you'll also have here. You can go for like this, and these are the default option. Whatever the coming with will be coming with your the quiz type. So each and every quiz type will have. So only the additional setting you see here, the under the more options, and here uh, distractors I will be able to do. But in this case, I'm not. I'm still a bit confused here. Here it is cat, mat. Okay, the cat sat on the mat. The dog sat on the rug. So this kind of thing. Once I will do for the first time, then I will try for the next time. Of course, I will have the more confident in doing this stuff around. But yeah, for now, I think let's do. I think we are good to go. Let's try one time here. Save changes. Okay, and let me try the doing the preview here. Yeah, so it is coming like this. So the session, the something. So what I see here, it has given me the three options. So fill in the blanks. Okay, this is the session. I need to test in this session. Okay, so ideally I have granted there only the two space, but not sure why it is coming. But yeah, of course we'll have to try exploring more on this, and let's see. Okay, submit and finish here. So this is start again, fill the correct responses. So this is the correct responses. Okay, start again, fill in the blanks. This is something I need to test in this session. Okay, submit. Yeah, start again, fill the correct response. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to do. Correct. Now let's quickly jump to this question itself, how it is appears like that. Blank I have given here, something I have given here, session I have given here. So these three terms I have defined here in this question text. Okay, so that is why the three terms that they are coming. So distractor, I'm still a bit confused here why it is here. But yeah, the given list of incorrect word designated to distract from the correct answer. Okay, correct. So this is given here. This is just for you say here something like clue. You just have to give the clue here, but this will not be the correct answer. Correct. So you can put here. I have to put the wrong here. I can put anything like this. Okay, and it is always best suited if I have the three pair here, like the something and session. It is good to have the three pair here also. But this is just like a distractor. That means you are distracting user. Okay, so now we have the meaning of this one. You are distracting the user from interacting these questions with your default answer. Okay, so that means sometimes you'll be putting some clue here. Clear? And if you come to see the gap setting here, checking this toggle setting mode of entering power gap settings, such as feedback for correct or incorrect response, click on the delimited gap word to pop up the setting. Okay, so if I click here, the only work with auto editor. Okay, so this setting will be only working with auto editor, and currently I don't have that auto. So this editor is a different one. Okay, yes, that it's a tiny MC. Let me search here. Yeah, so it's tiny MC here. So here this petrol setting will not be working. No problem at all. Save. Now, so earlier I was taking only one question preview here. Now I see here. This is true. First question. Let's say the false here. And here, fill in the blanks. This is something I need to test in this session. Okay, and these jumble words you see here, it is coming automatically. Okay, so that plan, the session, something session. So these words are coming automatically here. So some of the correct options will appear here with added text there. What added text? So these three I have added there. Okay, and I have to finish, submit, and finish. Now if I come to see here, my response I submitted is correct. Clear? So this is very easy to create, and you can use this. It seems like very interesting here. The more setting I will try exploring, and will create a separate video for that. Now let me come to question again here. So that part was distractor. So this distractor plus your correct option will appear there in the list of draggable words, so that you can fit here onto the blank area. Correct? So these words will not be added automatically here. So whatever you will, the correct option you have given here, all these words plus your distractor words. Correct? So in my case, the three word here and the three here, all six were appearing there. If you want, I can show you one more time here. Okay, let's see. So this session, the something, that plan. Okay, so all are coming in six words. So this is all from this video. Hopefully you'll have some idea and you'll be able to use in your assessment. And that's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.